Alright, hey YouTube, Nate here. I had this video requested a little bit ago and I kind of was slow to make it, especially because I'm almost already halfway through the semester, but this is going to be my fall classes here at my university, so let's just get started. The first class that I'm taking this semester is, to be more specific, this is my sophomore semester. Yes, my sophomore semester of college, so not that, well, it does kind of matter. Anyway, first class is Spanish, Linguistics, and Phonetics, which so far has been a very weird class. It's definitely not like any other Spanish class I've had, but basically, so far what we've been doing, breaking down words in Spanish. First, we actually learned about a little bit of history of Spanish and where the language came from, and then moving on, breaking down words into each different consonant and the actual sound the consonant makes and how the vowels affect the consonants, and etc., etc. So basically breaking down the words phonetically to each specific sound. Then after that, we moved on to breaking down words into different formations of what make them, like prefixes, suffixes, etc., and the main part of the word and how that has an effect and how different endings can change the way the word is, etc. So that's kind of what the class is all about, so far at least, and from there we'll see what happens. But yeah, definitely a weird class. Pushing my Spanish to the limit, having to use all these words we're using and then breaking down the words, and it's kind of helping me learn Spanish differently than just like learning the word and thinking about it in English. Now I'm kind of having to think in Spanish, if that makes sense. So I'm not really translating anymore, I'm kind of doing everything in Spanish in my head, which is crazy. So yeah, that's my Spanish class. After that, I have my English class, which is the freshman English class, English 111. I can't even think of the name, but it's your basic reading and writing class that I should have taken last year but didn't. So now I get to take this class with all these freshmen, and it's exciting. Not at all. So far it's just been papers and some reading. Obviously, nothing really to say about that other than it's your basic entry English class. Moving on, we have chemistry appreciation. The reason I laugh is because it's just a joke of a class, but I don't know, I guess I'd have a background in chemistry in high school, so coming into this is really easy. The reason I'm taking it is because we were required to take 2 science classes for a general education, and the first one had to have a lab, which I did with biology, so the second one doesn't have to have a lab, and chemistry appreciation seemed like it'd be the one that interested me most, because I actually did enjoy chemistry, but it's so far been really, really slow, because the rest of the class just, I don't know if they really aren't picking up on the topics, or the teacher just thinks they aren't, or what, but we were stuck on the same topic for like 3 weeks straight, and we finally just had a test, but it was only on 1 chapter, and just, I don't know, I guess maybe I'm just a fast learner, and obviously it helps that I've had chemistry background, but this class is just, I don't know. But it's a basic chemistry class, no lab, just some demonstrations, and should be pretty easy class. Finally, the last class, definitely the most hard, the most time-consuming, and the most frustrating would be data structures, which is my computer science class, all about data structures. For those of you who don't know computer science, the basic idea behind a data structure is how to take your basic computer data, whether it be numbers or letters, trying to put this in layman's terms, yeah, numbers, letters, words, I guess, would be the easiest way to put it, and how you can structure them, obviously, in the program, if that makes any sense at all. I guess basically the concept is you don't really just have like a pool of numbers floating around that you can grab at any time you want. Let's say you have a list of numbers, you have to think about how you're going to present that list of numbers in the program and how you will go about doing that, whether it be an array, a linked list. Once you get into those, if you want to do a queue or a stack, I know you don't know what that means, but, well, maybe some of you do, but that's the basic idea of data structures. We'll get into more complicated stuff towards the end of the semester, dealing with trees and heaps and maps and etc. Again, sorry if you don't know what all that means. I'm trying to put it as layman terms, but it's not exactly easy. But the basic concept is organizing your data. Plain and simple. So yeah, that's that. Those are my classes. I'm learning. So yeah, that's about it. Yeah. Thanks for watching. I thought I had more to say, but college is college. So far, it's been an interesting semester. Probably my most homework enabled. What? Was I really gonna say that? It's been my semester with the most homework that I've ever had. So, yeah. Looking forward to finishing up the semester though, and taking more exciting classes next semester. And I'll make a video again then. So, thanks for watching, guys.